July 26th, 8:25 a.m. We already got our day rolling. We have here the famous OG usage car. We're doing oil change, transmission flush, differential flush, and spark plugs. Back on the road soon. Get the boys' car running good.
Mr. OG Yusuf, your car is ready for pickup. We did the diff flush, transmission flush, transfer case service, spark plug, pretty much everything. Ready to get back to the street and get people. So as you guys previously seen, the impact of this vehicle is right here on the left side of the quarter panel. We did cut an opening. You see the inner wheelhouse was damaged, and just as we expected, it is. So what now we're gonna do is take some more photos, send them out to the insurance, and have them provide us with replacement on this so that this vehicle can be back to pre-existing condition.
LCI M240 here for lowering springs and spacers. Here are the springs, H&R. We'll put some pictures as soon as it's done.
Alright guys, that's ready. 20 just got brought down from the boys. We did go ahead and
shaking ass in the deli.
20 got lowered on some H&R lowering springs along with our spacers that we do offer for the kit. Sits pretty sick. I love the fitment. The car does only have like about 200 miles, so the customer bought it exactly the same week that he got the vehicle delivered to. That being said, let's go test drive and make sure there's no noise, no clunks, no nothing, and ready to go.
Alright guys, so we're paying a lot of money in car washes, so we had to go buy our own little van to wash our own cars here at PQ. PQ details coming soon. Stay tuned. We got a new exhaust right here from our guys over at Valve Master. So let's go ahead and do the quick unboxing. I'm not exactly sure what car this is for, considering we have a lot of orders to with them at the moment. So go ahead and check it out. Valve Master. Oh, no way.
Ain't no way it's here already.
This is gonna be the world's first R8GT with a aftermarket exhaust.
Oh, it's not. They did one already. I saw it.
What R8GT has?
I saw it.
Show me.
And they did the turbos.
Show me. What? R8GT, show me.
Yes.
Show me.
If I show you what?
What do you want me to do? Kiss you or what?
No, I supercharged it already.
Oh, that fool has a more.
But is it an R8GT? Oh, it is an R8GT. Damn. Order that supercharger right now.
No money on my car.
Well, I guess we didn't come first. We tried, but it is what it is, man. As long as we ain't last, my boy. I can't wait to fucking be smashing this downshift. Oh,
Okay.
Oh yes. Ooh, no way. No way, bro.
That shit looks fake.
No way. Oh my gosh, this is insane. R8 titanium for PQ performance, made by guys over at Valve Master. Thank you guys. We're really excited to throw this on the R8GT, and stay tuned for the video dropping soon. Alright guys, So we have a pretty hectic day here at the shop, typical Friday. I'm gonna give you guys a little walkthrough of what we have going on. We have the one and only Mr. Finding Nick's car on the lift. We're installing a few carbon parts. And this beautiful M3 G80, we're installing a new carbon front grille. On the other lift over there, we have an oil pan replacement on an F80 M3. At the same time of all this, we also have a little more stuff going on. We're finishing the custom tune on this Super right here. And then our body teams, body techs, preparing this F82. And we're finishing up this 335 right here that's also gonna leave today. And then we have the PQ details putting in work over there, washing the cars all day as well. You guys already know the vibes. PQ for the win, baby. I like it, Picasso.
Alright guys, we got the F80 in today, getting the carbon lip, carbon side skirts, carbon diffuser, like the whole body kit installed, and then we're also doing the oil change. So she's taking care of me as always. Comment down below how long until I break my leg.
A couple days. Today?
A month? I don't know. Probably today.
What do we got here? It looks like this customer was involved in a really bad accident. Nothing for him. Everything was good. There was nothing too concerning with his health. He made it out of the accident pretty safe. As for the car did take quite a damage.
Alright guys, thank you for tuning in on yet another PQ vlog. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure to give it a thumbs up, share it, comment down below. You guys know what to do. And yeah, it was a super busy day today. Got everything done. Let's get it.